Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these snow globe shaker cards, perfect for the Christmas season. These can be made with children, but depending on their age they will need a little bit of help from a grown-up. I've put a list of everything you need in the description box below, so let's get started. So first of all you're going to need your snow globe colour card. You can use any colour you like, but I've decided to use this holographic card because I just can't help myself adding a bit more sparkle to my day. You'll also need an image, whether that's a photo or a picture that a child's drawn. Next you're going to need something that is circular so that you can cut out each part of your snow globe. I'm using this big Sellotape. This is great because it has a smaller inside circle and a larger outside circle. Once you've cut out your image with the smaller circle, you're then going to need to create a donut shape on your snow globe card. To do this, I'm drawing around the inside of my tape and the outside of my tape to make this ring. Cut it out and you should have something that looks a bit like this. This will be the frame part of your snow globe. Next you'll need the card for your card. I'm using blue card right now, but again you can use any colour you like. Fold it in half and get an idea of where your snow globe is going to sit. Next, stick down your image. I'm just using a glue stick to do this. Before we put on our snow globe frame or ring, we need to be able to lift it up a bit so that we can put all of our sequins and glitter in there later. To do this, you can either use some cardboard that is fairly thick or some foam. Have a look around and see if there's anything you can recycle. Both this foam and cardboard came in a delivery that I got the other day, and it's great to be able to recycle things rather than having to buy lots of new things to make this craft. Trace around your snow globe ring. For the sake of this video, I'm going around it again in black pen so that you can see it, because it's very hard to see on camera by using a pencil, but you do not need to do this, you can just use a pencil. Cut it out and check that they fit together. You can trim around if you need to, if there's any foam or cardboard that sticks out of the side. Next, we need some clear material for the inside of our snow globe. You can either buy this in a pack, or there are a couple of other ways you can make it. You can either get some laminating sheets, stick one through the laminator, and it will become see-through, just like this one here. Or, again, you can have a look around and see if there's anything you can recycle. I had some things packaged in this see-through plastic, and this would work just as well. So don't feel like you need to go out and buy lots of new things for this craft. Draw around your bigger circle on your clear plastic and cut it out. Glue that onto the ring that we made out of our holographic card earlier. So you've created a bit of a photo frame. Again, we need to raise this up, and that's where our foam or cardboard, depending on what you used, comes in. Glue this to the back of the snow globe frame you just made. And again, you can trim any bits around the edges that might still be sticking out. Before we stick that down onto our card, we just need to make the base of our snow globe. Cut the base out and stick it just under where your snow globe frame will sit. Now, before we put the frame on and create our snow globe, we need the inside of our snow globe. So, here I've got some sequins and some clear crystals. You can of course use anything you like in this, whatever you have. You could even use something like rice. And I'm going to add some chunky silver glitter because again, I just can't help myself. Collect all of that in the middle of your image, and then it's time to stick down the snow globe frame. Make sure it's glued down all the way around so that none of those sequins escape. And then decorate the card however you like. I've added a bow and I've used some glitter glue to make some lovely snow around my snow globe. And there you have it, it really is as simple as that. You've got a lovely shaker card that works just like a snow globe. As you can see, there are lots of different designs that you can make with this craft. You can use different colours, different shapes, and children really do have the opportunity to make it look exactly the way they want. Plus, they're really fun to shake. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like as it really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching, Merry Christmas, and I will see you next time.